Magandang araw po sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kaguruan mula Luzon, Visayas at saka Mindanao. Narito ho ang point system para sa lahat ng mga teachers na magpa-reclassification ngayong taon at saka sa mga susunod na taon. Ito ho ay hango sa DepEd Order No. 24, Series of 2025. Narito ang weight allocation or point system for each criterion. So letter A, para sa education, that is 10%, 10 points, Sa training, that is also 10 points. Experience, that is also 10 points. Performance, the latest one, that is 30 points. Then the classroom observable observation, the teaching demo, that is 25 points. And the portfolio assessment and behavioral interview, that is 15 points. Total of 100 points. Again, ang cut-off para masali ka doon sa short list is 50 points. Kayang-kaya nyo yan, teacher. Dahil sa education pa lang, training, experience, at performance, that consists already 60 points. Tapos, meron pa kayong classroom observation at saka yung portfolio annotation. So, sa lahat ng mga magpapa-reclassification ngayong taon, good luck sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw!